On the top right side of the screen, the test suite overview indicates the progress of the test execution, and the execution log displays the communication between the lower tester and the card and record all the errors. Also, the icons on the top of the workspace automatically help you to select a group of executed, failed, or inconclusive test cases and collapse them. In other words, you can quickly navigate a group of tests which are failing for further analysis instead of ticking them one by one. Since I'm using a Type A payment card and the option Type A supported is set to yes in the options, the test case displayed in the test tree are Type A only. You can then select all the test cases and start to run them. MP Manager will then show you the connection scheme and the test case will start to run. You can have a brief introduction on the purpose of each test case by simply moving the cursor on top of it or read the user manual of the digital PICC test suite. For detailed information such as the acceptance criteria and the scenario, you can refer to the EMVCo Level 1 Digital Contactless specification. The order of the test case to be executed follows the naming convention. First, it will be the start test, followed by the correct test, and then the error test. For example, the correct test is checking the behavior during the activation of the smart card and then checking the state machine. All the mechanisms of the state machine are based on the ISO 14443 standard. During the execution process, you can use the test suite overview as well as the execution log for real-time update. You may have some failed or inconclusive test cases, and you can merge them in order to generate a report or debug individual test cases after finishing all the test cases you selected. In order to debug, you can single-click on the one you are interested and view it on the execution log, or double-click in order to see it in the historical log. For instance, the reason of the test case CC206 to be inconclusive is that the APDU count is too low in the ICS. This test needs at least 5 IPDU commands, and this is not aligned with APDU set in the EMVCo transaction in the test suite configuration. Moreover, you can double-click on the digital trace to view the communication, the log, and the trace in the viewer.